So, hardwired the batteries. I had 3 on there making 60 volts for the Craftsman V60, but she was hard on the batteries a little, so I don't know, direct wiring. I might need some kind of relay or power dampener somehow or some way, but I did figure out from the safety handle button, which is over here, you push that red button right here, and when you pull the handle, it cranks up. So you put that to the positive end, and then just run it right through to the positive side, and then the negative side goes to the series of the 2 batteries. So, but I kind of like the 36, especially in summer. Might have to go with a beefier battery, and I don't know how to do this one-handed, but I'm gonna push that button in, which I am now, and then when I pull that handle, takes right off. But it sure is hard on that motor, so who knows how long it'll last. But I just didn't know how well it works, so I don't have a bagger for it anyway, so it still works. You can lift it up. With the weight back there, it kind of counterbalances it. You really don't. It's light. The only other version I was thinking is like a lithium iron phosphate battery. But the voltages, I don't have one, so we'll see. This one's working for the short grass right now, more than enough. It's no rocket cutter, but not bad for having about 20 bucks into it.